For homeowners looking to simplify upkeep without sacrificing style, Picture Windows offer an ideal solution. In Layton, where seasonal changes can bring everything from bright sun to cold temperatures, choosing low-maintenance features is a smart way to keep your home looking great with minimal effort. Picture Windows stand out as one of the easiest window options to maintain while still delivering beauty, comfort, and long-term value. Picture windows are fixed, meaning they don't open or close. While that might seem like a limitation, it actually eliminates many of the common maintenance concerns associated with other window types. Without moving parts like hinges, tracks, or cranks, there's less risk of wear and tear. For busy Layton homeowners, this means fewer repairs and less time spent dealing with window issues. One of the biggest low-maintenance benefits of Picture Windows is their simple design. Because they don't have multiple components, there's less that can go wrong over time. You won't have to worry about parts becoming misaligned, stuck, or damaged. This simplicity translates into long-lasting performance with very little upkeep required. Cleaning is also much easier with Picture Windows. Their large, flat glass surfaces are free of grids, tracks, or moving sashes that can collect dust and debris. A quick wipe with a glass cleaner is usually all it takes to keep them clear and streak-free. In Layton homes, where dust and seasonal changes can affect window cleanliness, this ease of maintenance is a major advantage. Modern materials further enhance their durability. Picture windows are often constructed with vinyl or fiberglass frames, both of which are designed to withstand the elements without requiring constant care. Unlike wood, these materials don't need to be painted or sealed, and they resist issues like warping, cracking, and moisture damage. This makes them especially well suited for Layton's changing weather conditions. Another benefit is their resistance to air leaks. Because Picture windows are sealed in place, they create a tight barrier against drafts. This not only improves energy efficiency but also reduces the likelihood of condensation or moisture buildup around the frame. Fewer air leaks mean fewer problems to address over time, adding to their low-maintenance appeal. The glass itself is designed with convenience in mind. Many Picture windows include advanced coatings that help repel dirt, water spots, and smudges. These features make cleaning even easier and help maintain a polished look with less effort. Some options also reduce UV exposure, protecting your interior furnishings from fading while keeping your windows looking clear and bright. Durability is another key factor. Picture windows are built to handle temperature fluctuations, sunlight, and everyday wear without losing their performance. Their solid construction means they are less likely to develop issues that require repairs, making them a reliable long-term investment for Layton homeowners. In addition to being low maintenance, Picture windows contribute to overall comfort. Their energy-efficient design helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling adjustments. This creates a more consistent and comfortable living environment throughout the year. Natural light is another major advantage. The expansive glass area allows sunlight to flood your home, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. This not only enhances your living space but also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, adding to energy savings. Picture windows also enhance your home's appearance with minimal effort. Their clean, modern look complements a variety of architectural styles, adding visual appeal without requiring ongoing maintenance. For homeowners who want a stylish home without the hassle, this is a significant benefit. While Picture windows don't provide ventilation on their own, they can easily be paired with operable windows to create a balanced solution. This allows you to enjoy fresh air when needed while still benefiting from the low-maintenance advantages of fixed windows. Professional installation ensures you get the most out of your investment. A properly installed Picture window provides a tight seal, smooth finish, and long-lasting performance, further reducing maintenance needs over time. Ultimately, Picture Windows offer a practical and attractive solution for homeowners in Layton who want to minimize upkeep while maximizing comfort and style. Their simple design, durable materials, and easy care make them a smart choice for any home. If you're looking for a window option that fits your busy lifestyle, Picture Windows deliver lasting beauty and performance, without the extra work.